Welcome student. Welcome student. Uh, Now in these lectures we are going to study the forms, different forms of adjective. Okay. So here are transformation of object adjective. Okay. So we can stick the suffix that is at the end of the letter, okay, to know that this word is belongs to the adjective. Okay, here is the first, that is full, full. Okay, so through this type of suffix, that is full, ly, li, y, iesh, ish, uh, an, that is ese, al, ous, ible, able, okay, and ical. These are type of suffix which attach with the word and it becomes the adjective, such as like the care, like a care. And it becomes when we add a suffix that is ful, careful. Okay, soldier, solidier, it is solidarily, soldierly, the cloud, cloudy, green, greenish, India, Indian. Such words are belongs to the adjective category. So here are plenty, plentiful, alone, lonely, fun, funny, while, whitest, America, American, China, Chinese, society, social, danger, dangerous, OUS, religion, religious, OUS, again, uh, horror, horrible, admire, admirable, practice, practice, practical. These are the some sentences which belongs to the adjective category, which gives an informations about the noun. So these are the words and the form of words which belongs to this adjective category, uh, that you have to make these words in the adjective forms. So here we have an exercise, that is the to correct the adjective form of this word given below. Okay, so here are some words, that is the Sudan, Sudanese, nation, national, mountain, mountainous, courage, courageous, sense, sensible, avoid, avoidable, biology, biological, sleep, asleep. So here are some words that belong to this adjective category. Okay, enjoy, enjoyment, beauty, beautiful, glory, glorious, live, livelihood, livelihood, friend, friendly, respect, respectful, use, useful, achieve, achievable. So these are the words which belongs to this category of adjective. Okay, then next is so let us learn about the adjective. Uh, an adjective is a describing word that tells the more about the noun. An adjective can occurs before the noun it describes. This uh, this is its attributes. Attributes This is a small pencil. So here in this sentence, the small uh, is uh, is an adjective of a pencil noun. An adjective can occur in the predicate without being following by the noun. So it can be occurs in the predicate, predicate, mm, uh, where the nouns are not follow to the adjective. These pencils is a small. So here is comes between the small and pencil. Okay. The most adjectives are gradable. This means that they can be compared. Okay. So big, so big bowl, bigger bowl, and biggest bowl. Here, this big, bigger, and biggest are compared adjective of through which we get the informations about the positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. Historic, the adjective are non-gradable. Non-gradable. This means that cannot be compared. That is the historic, miraculous, exterior, legendary, and porous. Okay. Here are some positive adjectives of the positive, comparative, and superlative. Light, lighter, lighter, lightest. These are the some verbs. Others are these are regular verbs, and these are irregular adjective. These are regular adjective and irregular adjective. That is the good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. So these are irregular adjective. Okay. This is the sentence. The steel is the strongest metal. So this sentence belongs to the superlative degree. Then steel is the stronger than any other metal. This becomes the comparative degree. It is compared with the other metals. No other metals is as strong as steel. This is the positive degree in this sentence. Okay. So students, we are going to learn about this adjective in this sentence. Here are some regular verb, that is the light, lighter, lightest, large, larger, larger, largest, pretty, prettier, prettiest. So this is the regular verbs are come in this form, and there are some irregular which changes itself and having the another word about the comparative and superlative degrees. So good, better, best. Three words are totally different: bad, worse, and worst, much, more, and most, little, less, and least. So three different words are called as a irregular adjective. Okay. So we complete this small lessons of adjective.